Okay, so this is from chapter number 10 where we deal with exceptions happening in Java. So it's a very simple program to show you one of the most basic exception, that is arithmetic exception, and particularly dividing a number by 0. So here the name of the class is AEX, and we start with two variables here, integer number 1, number 2. And as you know, to handle the exception, we need to use the try and catch block. So try block is this. So what happens, whichever code is doubtful or whichever code which might raise an exception request or which might raise an exception should be inside the try block. Means if you study this code, you can see the number 1 is set as 0, number 2 is 62 divided by number 1. So that is 62 divided by 0. So that means this thing is going to create some problem, okay, because we cannot divide number by 0. So because this code was like that, problematic, it was inserted inside the try block. So you have to start the try block here, and here inside you put your code which is doubtful or which is might be creating an exception. This message, just print message here. Then we click on this catch. This is try, and after try we need to add a catch block. So exception is raised, now it has to be handled. Okay, so we use the catch block here. So this is the catch block. So catch you have to write, and then we write this. So whatever exception is going to be raised, according its object is handled here. So it is arithmetic exception, so we write arithmetic exception, then we write the object, that is E, and inside this we just write a message to just check whether the catch block is activated or not. So I'm writing a systemout.println error don't divide a number by 0, and then this is the line which is not in the catch block. This is a line which is outside the catch and try block. So it is written here, I'm out of the try catch block in Java. Okay, so this program is going to give you an error, okay, this error message which is designed by us itself using the try and catch block. So let's see how it is going to be executed on the online compiler. Okay, so now we're going to see the output of this code on the ID1 website. So I go here on this website, I can see the code is written here. So when you check the output, this is the output. So what is happening here? The divide by number 0 exception is raised and it is handled by us here, as you can see. So this is the message in the catch block. So I can see error don't divide a number by 0, that is in the catch block, and this statement is executed because it is outside the try and catch block. So if you don't use this exception, then program would directly terminate. But because we have used the exception, it is going on smoothly, and we have handled the exception and we have given a proper message to the user. Okay, this is also a very simple program which you can easily do. Thank you so much.